Alright, so we are in Unit 4 about lines. This is day 1, our slope day. We're talking about slope, and this is the very last section of our notes. So we're going to be looking at some graphs and some tables. We know how to write equations of lines in general because we know that the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept, or the value at which you cross that y-axis. Okay, when we have intercept, when we have a vertical line or a horizontal line, we're going to keep in mind that the rules change just a little bit, right? So with a vertical line or a horizontal line, we are thinking about vux and hoy, vux, hoy. That's our just reminder. A vertical line has an undefined slope and x equals some number. A horizontal line has a 0 slope and y equals some number when you write out the equation. Okay, first of all, is this one vertical or horizontal? This one's vertical, straight up and down, right? So I'll keep vux hoy in view there. Okay, if I want to write the equation of this line, it's a vertical line, so I know I'm thinking vux, so I know that x is going to equal some number. Well, let's look. If this is my origin, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x equals negative 5 here and here, right? This is negative 5, 0, negative 5, 1, negative 5, 5. No matter what point I look at, it is negative 5 something. So x is always negative 5 here. That's it. That's how you write that vertical line. Okay, x equals negative 5. Tells you that you don't care what y is. Every single x is going to be negative 5. Okay, so if I want to take a look over here at a different way to kind of think about that, I'm going to choose any 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I'm just going to write down ordered pairs for those 3 points, and we're going to see the same exact thing. Okay, starting from the top, I have negative 5, 1, negative 5, 1. The next one here, I have negative 5, 0. And then finally, I have negative 5, negative 6. I could have chosen any 3 points. It wouldn't matter. If you notice, every single x is negative 5. And if I think about the slope of this graph, I'm taking any 2 ordered pairs. I'm going to say this is my first point and this is my second point. So 6 minus 0 in my numerator, 6 minus 0 over negative 5 minus negative 5. Sorry that I'm kind of in my own way. 6 minus 0 is 6. Negative 5 minus negative 5, that's negative 5 plus 5. I'm going to get a slope of 6 over 0. M equals 6 over 0, which we cannot have. That's undefined. Right? Undefined slope. And that's what I expect with a vertical line. A vertical line has an undefined slope and x equals some number. Okay, my slope of the graph is undefined. Here we saw that visually, here we found it out algebraically. Okay, so let's look at a horizontal line. Right, horizontal line, hoy. So I know my horizontal line has a slope of 0, m equals 0, and y equals some number this time. All right, so we're going to, again, just choose 3 points. Okay, so if I look at these points, this one's at negative 4 and 4. This one is at 0, 4. This one's at 1, 4. I noticed that for all of those ordered pairs, the y value is 4. I just noticed that just by looking. But I'm going to put these ordered pairs negative 4, 4 right over here. Negative 4, 4. And then I have 0, 4. And I chose 1, 4. Okay, if I want to find the slope here, I'm going to choose any 2 points. So I'm going to say 4 minus 4 is 0 in my numerator. 1 minus 0 is 1. That I can do on a calculator. My slope is 0. My slope is 0. Okay, all of the y's equal 4. So just for kicks, if I know this, we can do y equals mx plus b with a horizontal line. We can't really do y equals mx plus b with a vertical line. But watch what happens if I do this. Okay, I know y equals slope, which is 0, 0x plus b. So sorry, I'm crossing the y-axis right here at 4. So I know my b, my y-intercept, is 4. Watch this. 0x is just 0, so I can rewrite that as y equals 4. All right. Finally, right down here, we're going to write the equation of these lines. This is a vertical line, Vux, so I know x equals some number, and I'm going to say -1, -2, x equals -2. This is a horizontal line, so I know it's hoi, so I know y equals some number. So I'm going to look at any point right here. X is 1, y is 3. Okay, I know y equals 3. This guy, horizontal, hoi. Okay, so I know that y equals some number. And if this is the origin, -1, -2, 3, 4, 5. Y equals -5. And we're back to vertical, Vux. So I know v equals some number. That means that if x is 1, 2, 3, 4, x equals 4. Oops, x equals some number, and it's going to equal the number 4. That's it.